everybody. I am going to do a flip and drag on the 6x6 with black negative space. So I'm going to make my flip cup first. So it has been quite a while since I have painted. You may have noticed I've had less videos out lately. It's just the weather, depression, it just kind of gotten the best of me, but I'm back in my studio today, and that is all that matters. So I'm excited about that. Shaking up my colors, got neon yellow, neon orange, neon pink, and neon blue. Woohoo! It's a neon party. Ugh, I love neon pink. And I also have a cold. So you may be like, why does she sound horrible? And it's because of this cold. I'm going to try and shoot this orange down into it. Whoa! Got an awful lot going on right there. Whoa! I don't have a lot of this and I just wasted some of it. That isn't good. So I did paint this. I actually painted this Payne's Gray because I was going to do a Payne's Gray painting on it, and then I decided to do this instead. But it's oftentimes a good idea when you are doing a dark color, base color, to paint especially the sides, because otherwise you can possibly end up with white spots, which you don't really want. Whoa, I'm making a mess over here. Just decide where to go from here. I like these. What's going on over there? It's kind of cool. See if I can get it into this corner. The sides are pretty where it's stripped off. I think I'm going to leave it. Just kind of a simple, sweet little painting. Yeah. I'm going to leave it. Set it over here. I just love those. That's why I didn't want to mess with it too much, because I didn't want to lose those. I love the streak of the pink. Pink's my favorite color in there. I think it turned out pretty cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.